request candidate number 5 to stay in the middle and the rest of the finalists to please be in the isolation area.
Yes, they will be ushered to a car with sounds. Party-party muna kayo dun, guys. Can we have... please assist our candidates. Thank you so much.
We will be having our final question and answer portion wherein all of the candidates will be given one common question.
And they will be given 45 seconds. 45 seconds to answer the question.
Again, you only have 45 seconds to answer the question. So while we are waiting for the go signal, may I just ask how are you feeling that you are the first one to answer the question tonight?
I feel good po kasi it's unexpected po. Kasi first time ko pong makapasok ng top 4.
Yes, well, sabi nga nila, expect the unexpected.
Yeah. Always believe in yourself na kayang-kaya mo yan.
And you know what? Just pray. Habang nandyan ka, while waiting for our question, kahit nakasmile ka, just say a little prayer so He will guide you.
While we are waiting pala, I hope everyone is staying dry sa mga gilid. Guys, usog-usog kayo dito kasi medyo lumalakas na ang ulan. Nagiging intense din yung weather sa kung gaano naka-intense ang round natin tonight.
Sabi mo sana stay dry, so sawaan na akong maging dry partner eh. So sorry. So I think we are still not yet ready. Before we proceed to our final Q&A, I would just like to thank personally Kuya Harold Buchel of Harold All, located in Tabaco City, Albay, for this wonderful shoe that I'm wearing. And of course, Mami Riri Gascon for grooming me tonight. Thank you very much, Mami. And medyo bigyan natin ng konting time pa because umulan, so kailangan maging dry pa din yung ating mga other finalists. Ayun. Pumapapasok na sila sa kanilang isolation area.
Alam mo, partner, I'm curious kung anong playlist ang ipapatugtog nila.
Yes.
Sana Beanie.
Beanie.
As a Beanie fan, may mga Beanie fan ba dito?
Nasa yung mga bloops natin dito.
Ayan. They're so, talented, no?
Hi din tayo sa ating reigning,
Beanie Justin.
Hi din tayo sa ating reigning, Miss Monso. Hello, nice to see you again. Ayan, are we all set? Not yet? Not yet, of course. Just an advice sa kayo, just stay calm when we are about to answer or about to read to you the question. Kasi pag medyo aligaga ka, yun, medyo nararattle tayo. So just stay calm, calm yourself, okay?
Feel the stage. Ayan. Para relax ka later.
Of course, always manifest for the best thing to happen. Guys, are you ready for the final Q&A? Nasa yung supporter si candidate number 5. I-hype nyo naman ang iyong candidate. So I'm so excited. What would be our final Q&A? Will be... And I think we are ready. Let's start the final question and answer portion. And your question is a long question. I will be reading the question twice, okay? Amidst the relentless impact of climate change, the scorching heat index gripping the Philippines has become a significant concern, often reaching dangerously high levels. As the Morianang Punsyo 2024, what strategies do you envision to enlighten and shield our communities, particularly the student population, from the adverse effects of extreme heat conditions? Again, amidst the relentless impact of climate change, the scorching heat index gripping the Philippines has become a significant concern, often reaching dangerously high levels. As the Morianang Punsyo 2024, what strategies do you envision to enlighten and shield our communities, particularly the student population, from the adverse effect of extreme heat conditions? Your 45 seconds.
And as per request by candidate number 5, she requested for the question to be translated in Tagalog. So I will be translating it as much as I can. Okay, so isa sa mga global issues right now is yung heat index. Tumataas siya every now and then. And of course, tayo, na-experience natin yung heat. And di ba, during the previous months, may pasok pa rin despite the high heat index. And sa mga classrooms natin, sole source ng ventilation is just fans. And medyo mainit din talaga. So your question is, as bilang Mutya, assuming that you will be hailed as the Mutya ng Ponso 2024, anong mga strategies yung nakikita mo? Anong mga plans or plan of action na nakikita mo na magandang i-implement para mapagaan yung buhay ng mga students or ma-shield yung community dito sa high heat index na nararanasan natin?
Okay. Actually, the first cause of this heat index, the pollution. Pollution is actually affecting the life of every people here, and one of the cause of this is the heat index. And I think that heat index, for us to ensure the people to have a better life, I think we should avoid illegal loggings and plant a trees as a Mutya ng Ponso 2024. That activity will help us.
All right, thank you so much. So your time is up.
Thank you very much, candidate number 5. Now let's call on our next candidate, candidate number 6. So let's not spoil let's not give any hints. So kumusta kaya ang ating mga judges? Nahihirapan na ba kayo? Ayan na si candidate number 6. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
Hi, candidate number 6. We meet again. So, kamusta naman yung patugtog dun sa car? Okay naman?
Yes, we cannot hear something.
Wala talaga. All right. So, let's be sure lang, no? Okay. So, your question is? So, candidate number 6, we will be given 45 seconds para to answer the question. The question is, amidst the relentless impact of climate change, the scorching heat index gripping the Philippines has become a significant concern, often reaching dangerously high levels. As the Mutya ng Ponso 2024, what strategies do you envision to enlighten and shield our communities, particularly the student population, from the adverse effects of extreme heat conditions? All right, so I will be repeating your question. Amidst the relentless impact of climate change, the scorching heat index gripping the Philippines has become a significant concern, often reaching dangerously high levels. As the Mutya ng Ponso 2024, what strategies do you envision to enlighten and shield our communities, particularly the student population, from the adverse effects of extreme heat conditions? Your timer starts now.
Health risks pose a significant awareness, especially today. Vulnerable populations like children should be checked during these heat waves. We, the communities, should establish cooling centers, help or promote strategies like cool roofs and build energy-efficient building. Raising awareness during these heat waves, and by taking precautions, we, the Ponsoeñas, can be safe and healthy during hot weather. And I thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, candidate number 6.
Thank you very much, candidate number 6, for that very insightful answer. Yes, it's becoming more intense as we go further to our competition. Do you agree, partner?
I absolutely agree.
You know
Mukhang
what?
mahihirapan yung judges natin.
Actually, ako din, kung ako yung candidate din, mahihirapan din ako sa question kasi medyo mahaba-haba.
Yes, medyo mahaba, but it's a question na we all can relate to.
Yes, that we can all learn from
Yes.
also. And I'm very happy na yun yung ginawang question ng ating SK officials para
Very timely,
yeah,
actually.
timely and of course may matutunan din ng ating audiences tonight.
Yes. And also, yung insights ng ating candidates can also, be a solution sa ating mga officials right here.
Yes, sabi nga nila, platforms like this are opportunities for these ladies to voice out their concerns, voice out viable solutions that will help really the community, right?
Yes, I absolutely agree with you.
Nasaan na kayong ating next candidate kasi nauubusan na ako ng
Yes.
pwedeng sabihin for tonight.
Yan, candidate number 8. Candidate number 8,
ayan na si
please.
candidate number 8.
Thank you so much.
And I'm excited what will be the answer of candidate number 8, knowing she's one of the most eloquent candidates tonight. And sure titles din yung mga nandito sa top 4, no? Lahat na sila may placement for tonight. Hi, candidate number 8, how are you?
I'm still a bit nervous po, and I was super shocked that I still got in the top 4.
Well, we were not shocked because I think you really deserve to be part of the top 4 finalists. Now, are you ready for your question?
Yes po.
May I just remind you that you only have 45 seconds to answer the question. Again, 45 seconds to answer the question. Clear tayo dun, ha? Now, let's have your final question and answer. And your question is, amidst the relentless impact of climate change, the scorching heat index gripping the Philippines has become a significant concern, often reaching dangerously high levels. As the Mutya ng Ponso 2024, what strategies do you envision to enlighten and shield our communities, particularly the student population, from the adverse effect of extreme heat conditions? Do you want me to repeat? All right. Amidst the relentless impact of climate change, the scorching heat index gripping the Philippines has become a significant concern, often reaching dangerously high levels. As the Mutya ng Ponso 2024, what strategies do you envision to enlighten and shield our communities, particularly the student population, from the adverse effects of extreme heat conditions?
Extreme heat index is a global challenge now. The Department of Education has provided us with band-aid solutions of adjusting the school hours, allowing kids to wear breathable clothing, and the availability of water resources. And for me, what I can contribute as a future medical professional, I think we should be educated of the symptoms, prevention, and first aid for people who are experiencing dehydration and heat stroke. Because with this knowledge, we can prevent further damage to the because with this knowledge, we can save lives and the lives of others. That would be all po. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 8. Now, that was on time. Thank you very much. Ayan.
Candidate number 8 really ate that. Grabe, no? Galing.
Yes, as a future medical practitioner.
Yes.
Thank you very much, candidate number 8, for that very insightful answer. And now I think candidate number 9 is here also. Where are the supporters of candidate number 9? Medyo humina. Lakas-lakasin natin. Candidate number 9!
Pati ang audience natin tense eh.
Yes. Pili ko mas tense pa yung mga supporters ng ating candidate number 9. Totoo ba yun? Nandiyan mo yung parents si candidate number 9. Ayun. Good luck po sa inyo. Sana po may tubig kayo dyan. Alright, let's have once again candidate number 9. Take it away, partner.
Hi, candidate number 9. How are you?
I'm actually good. Thank you for choosing me as a top 4.
Oh, you really deserve it naman. So yan, shake off yung nerves lang and we will be asking you your final question. Oh, just a reminder also, you have 45 seconds to answer the question.
Okay.
All right? The question is, Amidst the relentless impact of climate change, the scorching heat index gripping the Philippines has become a significant concern, often reaching dangerously high levels. As the Mutianang Punso 2024, what strategies do you envision to enlighten and shield our communities, particularly the student population, from the adverse effects of extreme heat conditions?
Can you repeat the question?
Amidst the relentless impact of climate change, the scorching heat index gripping the Philippines has become a significant concern, often reaching dangerously high levels. As the Mutianang Punso 2024, what strategies do you envision to enlighten and shield our communities, particularly the student population, from the adverse effects of extreme heat conditions?
Thank you for that question and good evening, everyone. As climate change happening right now, we've been experiencing the heatness and it's really inevitable. We can avoid it because it's happened on the weather. But I think in order to have envision to always give this as always have a mission that students should always follow the policies of our mayor and everyone who governs for us, because climate change, as I've said, is inevitable. And the thing that as a student we should always follow, and we should always have a discipline in order to not always complain about the heat or climate change. We should always follow, and the guidance will always be in a good proper tense. Thank you.
And thank you so much, candidate number 9.
Now that concludes our final question and answer portion. Thank you very much, candidates. All right, partner, that was intense, and I am just so happy that all of our candidates really aced that portion.
Actually, I am very speechless by their answers. Talagang pinakita nila kung gaano kagaling ang isang Ponsoeño by answering one of the pressing issue questions na binigay sa pageant neto.
And as Atiwin Hon myself, bow down to all the Ponsoeño and Ponsoeños who are here tonight. Thank you very much.